Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to generate more leads for your HVAC business. In this video we're going to discuss in detail how we helped one of our clients offering HVAC services to generate more leads using organic SEO. When the client approached us for SEO services, the site was not in good health. We did run a detailed checkup of the site using SEMrush and found out there were quite a few areas of improvement. After finalizing the set of keywords the client wanted to focus upon, we started working on fixing up the technical issues of the website. For the technical issues, we worked upon broken links, site structure and image optimization for this client. Website loading speed and the website's responsiveness was also improved for better user experience. Apart from fixing up the on-page SEO part of things, we did work on Google Business Profile. The idea was that since the business is local, we wanted the client site to rank better in local map app listings. For content creation, apart from blogs and articles, we did focus on creating videos and promoting them through social media channels for this client. The emphasis of content generation was to give inputs to clients around maintenance tips or what HVAC services would cost in their area. Finally, our hard work paid off and we were able to get better online traffic to the website using best SEO practices. The client was a happy man since we were able to generate 1300 plus leads for his business using organic SEO. In case you have an HVAC business and are looking to generate more leads online using organic SEO, feel free to get in touch with us through our website and we surely will be able to help. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.